How to see what other devices are logged into your TikTok account and sign out of them. This can be really useful to know if somebody's logged into your account on another device or not, or just to periodically sign out of devices you're no longer using, which is good security practice. So start out on your profile page. Then tap on the icon in the top right corner with three horizontal lines. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Under the Account section, you want to click on the Security and Permissions button. Here, tap on Manage Devices. This will list all the devices you're currently logged into. Before you get alarmed, I just want you to know that this device name isn't always accurate. You can see it says I'm signed into on an iPhone 8 Plus. I'm actually on an iPhone 14. But you can see underneath the device name, it says current device. So, that's the one it thinks I'm using. If there were multiple devices here and you wanted to remove one, there'll be a little trash icon next to it. Just tap on that and that'll log you out of that device. That's all there is to it. Before you go, check this out.